Hello, in this video I'll be teaching you how to create a glow effect in Photoshop. Alright, right click and convert your text to smart objects. Right click again and choose blending option. Select inner glow. Change your blend mode to hard lights. Your opacity to 35. Change your color to 8200 FF. Okay. Your size to 7. Your control. Change your input to 48 and your output to 65. Click OK. Select outer glow. Change your color to your blend mode to linear dodge add. Your opacity to 80. Your opacity to 80. Change your color to 9600 FF. Okay. Change your size to 35. Follow the process. Change this to 11. Change this to 25. Select this. Change it to 28. Select this, change this to 65, and okay. Alright, click OK. Duplicate your layer, drag it down, right click, select blending option, remove your inner glow, select stroke. Change it to inside. Click on OK. Select your blending option. Select drop shadow. Increase your opacity to 80. Alright. Spread. Okay, follow the process. So I have this. When you're done, you click on OK. Select your color overlay again. Change your size to 250 and click OK. So you have this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.